Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now for me it is located right over here, called Screen Recording, and once you find it, simply tap on it, select Agree and Continue, allow access to everything that it needs, and it will give you this overlay right here. Now you could navigate into the settings and customize them to record at a higher quality, but I'm just gonna go straight to recording by tapping on a red circle. As you can see, it starts recording, so whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now once I'm done, all you would need to do is interact with this overlay. Again, select this time around a red square, which will save the recording to your Photos application. And as you can see, there it is. So, as you can see, that's the video recording. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.